Hello and good morning and welcome to Chris's garden shed layout version 3. As you can see, I've got my boards cleared of the old track. I've started cleaning up some of the old track ready to be relayed. That is going to be my layout, and I've got a box of goodies from T&M, so I'm just trying to open the box and hopefully everything that I ordered is inside. Oh. That's it. There's more cardboard here than oh, right. We've got 6 lengths of track. In the bubble wrap is various curves that I use for setting out with. Set track curves, I'm afraid, but I haven't the room for to do flexible ones.
Just drop it down.
Right. These are the points. There should be 8. Let's see. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 right hand and 4 left hand. Here we are. And here are some rail joiners. SL11s, that's the insulating ones. And yes, they're the other insulating ones, and some ordinary ones, but they're stuck together with sellotape, so I can't rail joiners. There we are. This is where the station's going to be. Then the tracks will curve round here, and this is going to be the what in modelling terms is called a fiddle yard, and it will come back to the station here, which roughly starts there and goes right round to there, and then the various points and things will be set out there as my layout plan. Hope you can see all that. That was produced on SCARM together with a shopping list of parts that I require for the layout, which again is produced on the SCARM. So as you can see, I shall have a fair bit of room now from the previous layout. That's one of the old drivers which is no longer surviving. Right, and now for the essential part, a good cup of tea. Thank you, and I will update you with progress as I go along. Bye.